Students, listen attentively. It is a practical number 14 of course Stat 711, especially for PhD students. The statement of the practical is given here. A factorial experiment with two factors, that is gender, and two levels, that is stress level, was carried out in CRD, that is completely randomized design. The observations are given below. Perform analysis of variance and test the significance of gender and stress level. These are the observations given here. MLS mean mild level stress and HLS mean high level stress. First column, the observation is given the mild level stress in male, and second column is high level stress in male. Third column for mild level stress in female and high level stress in female. Observations are given here. The mean values are given 159.6 and 273.87, 152.25 and 124. I have copied these observations here. The observations in first color, that is yellow, is mild stress observations, and second, which is started from 208 195, is high level stress in male, and the blue color observations are mild level stress in female, and last one, that is green observations, are high level stress in females. For male, I have assigned 1, and for female, assigned 2. Similarly, mild level stress has been coded by 1, and high level stress is coded by 2. These observations have been transferred in the software SPSS. These are copied from the Excel sheet. These are the weight and the gender. 1 mean male and 2 mean female, and in the column of levels, 1 for mild level stress and 2 for high level stress. You can also see the variable view of this sheet. These are the genders, weight, first column for weight, and second for gender, and third for level of its stress. As we have used coded scheme for gender, so it will become ordinal, nominal, and this is also level of stress is also nominal. Now come on the data sheet. Now we have performed the factorial experiments, RCBD in factorial experiment. Analyze general linear model, and now click on univariate. Now reset these values. Body weight come as dependent variable, and the gender of respondent will be a fixed factor, and level of stress is also a fixed factor. Now click model. It is a factorial experiment, so continue it, and options, we have make descriptive statistics for gender, for level, and for interaction. Now we have to continue. Also perform a post hoc on gender, and level also. Continue. Okay. These are our expected results. Now see that gender, there is a significant difference between gender with respect to the weight. That is, man and women, male and female, there is a significant difference in their weight. And level of stress, according to the factor level of stress is also have a significant difference in male and female. And gender and level, interaction between gender and level is also significant. Now detail of these significant effects is given. We can check from mean value. The mean value is male weight 216.74 and female 168.12. There is a significant difference between the weight of male and female. And there is a significant difference between high level and mild level stress. Now come on interaction. The male mild level stress is 159.6, male high level stress 273.87, female mild level stress 152.24, female high level stress is 184.0. Now our null hypothesis was come on Excel sheet. There is no difference between treatment combination, as there is a significant difference. The H0 has been rejected. Then if it is rejected, then other hypothesis, the gender effect. The gender effect is 0. The gender effect here we say the gender effect is not 0. There is a difference. And the stress effect is also not 0. The interaction is also have a significant difference.